Shoo. Shoo. Shoo.
Look, I woke up in beast mode.
Shoo. Oh, I'm so sorry. I wanted to tell you that you are attractive.
Stop the cap.
Is it weird? I want to tell you that you are attractive.
Come on now, dog.
You are in here? What's your name? I just want to talk to you for a minute, right? Relax, relax. What's your name? I'm Ty. Lillian. Lynn. Oh, that's a very cool name. Can we get to link later? You know, I can take you on a date and stuff. You feel me? Come this way, there's a car passing. Are you first year?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can get my number, then you can text me. Sure. I like your bandana, baby. Shoo! Bro, I'm very sorry, bro. I have cold. You are okay? Oh, for sure, for sure. Wow, you are glowing. You won't even say my name. My name is DADDY.
Bruh.
DADDY.
Your other name.
That's my real name.
Come on now, dog.
Have you saved it? DADDY. You are lying.
So tell me your other name.
That's my real name. Sorry, I have flu. I'm so sorry. I'm excused. I have flu. Okay, my other name is These Nuts. These Nuts. D double E. And then the second one is Nuts. NUTS.
Got him.
You are going to class right now.
Yes.
Okay, so you have a nice day.
Sin City wasn't made for you.
Damn.
Chew. I'm so sorry, I have flu. For sure. Oh, chew. I'm so sorry, I have flu. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Am I excused? What's your name by the way?
Jacinta.
I'm Ty. Nice to meet you. You are in first? You are in first year? Come this way, there's a car passing. Third year? See, we can get to know each other later. I can take you on a date. Give me 1 minute, just only 1 minute. Chew. Oh, bro, I'm so sorry. I have flu. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I apologize. Chew.
Damn. Bruh.
Chew. Oh, sorry. I have flu. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Really, nigga?
I have flu. Sure. What's your name?
Joy.
Joy. Also, my name is DADDY. DADDY. That's my name. Can you pronounce it?
D-A-D-D-Y.
Yeah. See, you say it in full, like,
D-A-D-D-Y.
no, like in full, you know, you are just pronouncing it like, yeah.
Man.
Yeah, that's my name. So you can get my number, then we can get to link later. You can get to know me, yeah. And then I can take you on a date. You feel me? Yeah, for sure. You get my number.
Let him cook.
Chew. Oh. I have flu. I'm so sorry. Am I excused?
Ah, yes.
Oh, for sure. Phew. I have flu. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I like your nails, by the way.
Cap.
What's your friend's name? Lillian. Oh, for sure, for sure. Can you just type it?
There's something.
DADDY.
My nigga.
You like staying hydrated? Yeah, for sure. Can you get wet?
Damn.
Ah, my bad, my bad. We will save that for later. You have saved it? Okay, so you have a nice day.
Sin, Sin City wasn't made.
Phew. Sorry. Phew. I have flu. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Phew. I'm so sorry. I have flu. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Can I have an answer?
Oh!
Okay. Phew. I have cold. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. Water. Phew. I'm so sorry. I have flu. Am I accused? I'm so sorry. I apologize. I apologize. Oh, phew. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have flu. Am I accused? I apologize. I apologize.
I'm about to go bed. Yeah.
You know what I mean?